Are your wipers looking a little something like this? Does your windscreen look like abstract art? Or maybe you're just sick of the squeak? Then you've come to the right place. We'll show you how to change your wiper blades in less than 5 minutes. Here's what you'll need: pliers, scissors, a clean rag, and your replacement wipers, which means you'll need to determine your wiper style. All windscreen wipers are made up of a blade that clips into the wiper arm and the rubber, which is the bit that touches the windscreen. Yours might be a two-part assembly where the blade and rubber can be separated, or a bonded assembly where the blade and rubber are joined into one part. You can tell by looking, checking your vehicle manual, asking at a Supercheap store, or typing your rego into the Supercheap Auto website. If your wiper is a two-part assembly, you can skip ahead a bit. If it's a bonded assembly, step 1 is to remove your old wipers by unclipping the blade and rubber assembly from the wiper arm. You can check your manual to see how your clip works. Remember to hold the arm in place or put your rag on the windscreen to make sure it doesn't whip down. Step 2. Just clip the new assembly in the same way the old one came off, and that's it. Super! Now, if your vehicle uses a two-part wiper like these, you can choose to replace the rubber only with a rubber refill, or you can buy the rubber and blade together as a whole assembly, which is a lot easier. It's also worth noting that this style of wiper blade will come with a variety of clip adapters. If you choose to replace both the rubber and blade, step 1 is to unclip your old wiper assembly from the wiper arm and lower the arm onto a rag so it doesn't hit the windscreen. Step 2 is to use your old blade to find the matching clip adapter and snap this adapter into your new wiper blade. Step 3 is to clip the new assembly onto the wiper arm and bring on the rain. You're done. But what if your wiper arm looks fine and you just want to replace the rubber? These are the steps for you. Step 1, you'll have to remove the old wipers. It's possible to replace rubbers with the wiper blade attached to the vehicle, but it may be easier to remove it on some vehicles. Step 2, to make it easy on your fingers, use a pair of pliers to slide the rubber free of the blade. Step 3 is to closely compare your old rubbers to the new ones to ensure the same width. Some vehicles are different left to right. Step 4, just slide the new rubber into the blade, making sure it slides through each claw until the end locks in place on the lower end of the wiper. One final step before you hit the road: trim the rubber, allowing a 25mm overhang. So there you go. No more squeaking, squinting past streaks, or messing up your windscreen. Just happy driving, even when the sky is sad. Find detailed instructions and more videos to help you make it super at Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs.